Hi. Welcome to Shegod. The rules of engagement are really quite simple. So if you can pull yourself away from Grindr for 2 seconds, listen up. The use of flash photography is strictly mandatory. Do you think we look like this just so we can exist in your feeble memory? Take a picture and we'll last forever. Get your drinks now, people. The more you drink, the prettier we look. Is this your party, honey? No. So tipping is compulsory. If you don't know what compulsory means, I'll spell it out for you. Tip these queens. It takes a lot of money to look this cheap, darling. Be kind to your entertainers. If you see a flaw, squint. If you see a tipping box, don't be mad. Some of the most beautiful women in the world have bills to pay. If you see something you don't like, something unseemly or offensive, something vile or disgusting, we'll be happy to take your complaints after the show. At the corner of fuck you and go fuck yourself at Shegod.com. I'll see you there. Bring your tickets. If you think you can do better, sweetheart, I implore you. Put on a wig and mash your mouth around to other people's music for 4.5 minutes. It's not as easy as it looks. Do you need a pronoun? Here, tonight it's she. Respect, kindness, compassion, and most of all, whenever possible, tell us we look gorgeous. Tell us we look glamorous. Tell us we are goddesses. Do we look gorgeous? Yeah. Okay, but how about demure? Yeah. Okay, alright, but how about mindful? Alright, but how about breathtaking? Jeez, I swear, it's like pulling teeth to get a tiny little compliment out of you people. Now let's review, everybody. Your makeup is terrible. If you're not wearing nails, you're not doing drag. Don't ever touch my hair. Drinks, I'll take the bottle. Give me all your money. Absolutely.